Really, you're going to give them a green light? There's no one fucking there. Fucking hell. It's just gone green for that road. There's no one at that road. There's me here. You're going to let me go now? Thank you. Stupid fucking traffic lights. Fuck you. I never understood those exhausts on scooters. They look like a massive can, but it's actually coming out the hole in the bottom of the end of it. It's just meant to look like it's big. Absolutely fucking pointless. What the fuck are you doing? Oh, and now they've pulled out again. What the actual fuck? Really, you're going to stop on the crossing to let them cross on the crossing? You might as well have just kept fucking going. Fuck you! Holy shit, those cars are fucked. Fucking hell, those were completely destroyed. Use the crossing. See? Sensible person. If you're that close to the crossing, why wouldn't you just fucking use it? Indicate your bell end. Fuck you. Lights. What the fuck? 7 o'clock in the morning, dark as hell. Now I don't need my lights on. Fucking knob. Fucking hell. Oh, that was a massive slide. That's the hard shoulder, mate. That's not a fucking lane. You just figured it out. Oh dear.